This is our Chapter 5 review test. Good job. This was a really long chapter, so thanks for sticking with it. Sometimes I know it can be like the same thing over and over again, but that practice really helps that you learn it. So, write your name up top, please. And I'm going to read through. All right, so how many puppies are sitting? How many puppies are being added to the group? Write those numbers. So for the red apple here, how many puppies are sitting? How many puppies are being added to the group? For the yellow sun, Sonia put 4 red counters in the 10 frame. Then she put 3 yellow counters in the 10 frame. Choose all the ways that show the counters being put together. So remember, we have to read the word and look at the symbols for this. So look at the numbers and the words and the symbols and fill in the little circle for the ones that match. I'll give you a hint. 2 of them are correct, so you need to find the 2 that are right. For the green leaf, how many of each color cube is being added? Trace the numbers and symbols and then write the number that shows how many cubes in all. So they gave you something plus something is equal to something. You need to trace and write how many in all. Let's move on to the blue flower. Annabelle has 2 red cubes. She has 2 yellow cubes. How many cubes does she have? So I would suggest that you draw a picture up here. If you're not sure right away what 2 plus 2 is equal to, draw a little picture to match those numbers like we do with our counters. Remember, you can pause me if you need more time because I'm just going to be reading through these. And if you're drawing out the counters and doing what to help yourself do it, like doing the activities, which I really recommend, I would be going too fast for you. So you might just need to pause and unpause me. For the purple butterfly, look at the cube train. They made one here for us. How many red cubes do you see? How many more cubes do you need to add to make 10? So they gave us a number of cubes and they gave us a number. They also told us how many there are going to be at the end. Your job is to find how many more you need to add to this number so you have that many cubes. Adults at home helping, please let them just do these ones on their own. These are some of the specific ones I need to see. For the acorn, write and trace the number to complete the addition sentence. So just look at the picture, fill in the blank, and trace. For the pink heart, trace and write the number and trace the symbol to complete the addition sentence. So just fill in the blanks with the pictures. They give you the numbers. For the blue and green fish here, Nora has 1 green crayon. Gary has some red crayons. Together they have 5 crayons. Draw to show how many red crayons Gary has. Complete the number pair. I'm going to read that one again because it was kind of long. Nora has 1 green crayon. They drew that green crayon for you, okay? So Nora has one green crayon. Gary has some red crayons. Together they have 5 crayons. So you need to draw to show how many red crayons Gary has. Down here, I can't say these out loud, but looking at these sentences, something, if it's true, and that equals 7, you have to press yes, or sorry, not press yes, circle yes. So looking at these, if they equal 7, if when you put these numbers together, they equal 7, you're going to say yes. If they do not equal 7, say no. If you need to draw a picture, you may. Last page. Circle all the number pairs for 8. This is another one where I suggest you can draw little counters if you need to. If this equals 8, circle it. If this equals 8, circle it. If this equals 8, circle it. Do not do anything if it does not equal 8. For the green turtle, Larry counted out 9 cubes. The cubes were either red or blue. How many red and blue cubes does he have? Color the cubes to show the number of red and blue cubes. Then write the number to complete the addition sentence. So you need red and blue to finish this one. I'm going to give you a hint here. There are many different right answers, but you need to color it and have your numbers match. So your numbers need to match your colored picture above. For the red boat, complete the addition sentence to show a number pair for 10. So if you need to draw a cube train, they left you some space there. Otherwise, what plus what is equal to 10? If you have any questions about this, you can message me. I would love to help you out. If it is something you're not sure how to do, or adults, if you notice that there's some of these they know really well, but there are a few that they get stuck on, I would appreciate, because I do look through these, but I'd like to know. Sometimes I know it's kind of hard to let them struggle. So circle the ones if you helped them out, so I can see that maybe even though they got the right answer, they got some extra help on those. Thank you. And put these in the folder, please, for me to keep.